Hello, I'm Professor Rad, and today we're going to talk about adding integers using a technique of thinking about the addition in terms of money. So basically making deposits and withdrawals of money. So when we talked about signed numbers at first, we talked about positive numbers are deposits, or you're making money, while negative numbers are withdrawals, or you're taking money out. So when I see something like 5 plus -4 plus -6, here's how I think about it. I'm going to put $5 in the account. And addition, I think of as a and then. Okay, so I put $5 in the account, and then, since we have a -4 here, I withdraw $4. So I've taken $4 out of the account. So I only have $1, basically, at the moment. Right? So I put 5 in, but I took 4 of them out. So there's only $1 left. Then I take out $6 more. Okay, so when I take out those $6, the first of those $6 is that one that I had. And then there's 5 more that I'm trying to take out. So I have overdrawn by $5. So the answer here, since I've overdrawn, I've taken out more money than I put in. So I end up with a -5. So if thinking of things in terms of money makes sense to you, then you can use this as a way to help you add signed numbers. So let's take a look at some examples where we use money to think about these operations. So in this example, we're going to determine -5 plus -8. So with -5, that means I take out $5. And then, since it's a negative, I take out $8. So if I see how much I've taken out total, I took out 5, and then I took out 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I took out $13. So this is a -13 because that's what I took out. Now I'm writing out what I'm thinking here so that when I look at my notes later to study, I have a plan. I know how I got this number. So that's a lot of the reason why teachers ask you to write down or show your work, because part of it is so that, your teachers aren't mind readers. They don't know what you were thinking at the time. So part of it is to make sure your reasoning is correct. And the other part of it is to make sure that when you look at this later, you know what you were thinking at the time. Ultimately, when I go to find my answer in the future, once I'm used to this method of thinking, if this is what makes sense to me, I don't have to write it out to solve the problem. I'm just writing it out to help me remember how I solved the problem. So for part B, now I've deposited $5. So I deposit $5. And then, since this is a +8, I deposit 8 more. So, and then I've deposit $8. So let's see what this means. So I've got 5, and then I add $8 to it. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I've got $13 in the account. All right, let's look at part C. Oh no. So in part C, I'm starting out overdrawn. I have -$5. So I'm overdrawn by $5. Not a good situation. Then I deposit 8. Okay, that's good, right? So I owe the bank $5, but I've just put $8 in. So I put more money than I was overdrawn by. So I'm going to pay them that $5. And how much will I have left extra? So if I count from 5 to 8, that's 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got $3 extra. So that's a positive 3 because I have $3 in my account. I made up for what I was overdrawn by, and then some, really. All right, so let's look at part D. So I have $5 in my account. And then I take out $8. Again, I'm taking it out since it's a negative number. Oh no, now I'm in a sad situation because I only had $5 and I tried to take out 8. So I've taken out everything I had and then some. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was 3, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm overdrawn by $3. I exceeded how much money I had in the account. So if thinking of addition in terms of money helps you out, then this is a way that you can think about it. In the next video, we're going to look at one more way we can think about adding signed numbers. And that's going to be sort of I think of it kind of like as a little video game. Like it's a little game of like circles against squares or blue against red, things like that. So if this helped you, great. If not, hopefully the next one will. Looking forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.